In this video, we're going to look at Double Dip's Fall Colors, set of 6. Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me for another review today. We're going to get right into it, so here are the instructions. I always like to remind people to read their instructions thoroughly. Even if it's a product you've used before, it's always good to have a refresher. So here are the 6 different colors that come in this kit. One thing I do like to say about Double Dip and that I do like about them is that they always send these little information cards. So if you do run into a problem with your product, they make it really easy to reach out to them for customer service. So this kit comes with a foul. It comes with replacement brushes, which you will need, believe me, if you're doing dip powder. And it comes with a buffer. The liquids that come in this kit are labeled 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so number 2 is the base, number 3 is the activator, 4 is the top coat, and 5 is your brush cleaner, which is very important as well if you're doing dip powders. So first I'm going to open it up and show you how these powders look. First here is Red Velvet, and this is very vibrant. Next is Hot Fudge. I can see a little sprinkles of glitter in there, which I think is very nice. Also in this Dark Forest one, I saw a little bit of glitter. There's Expensive Pink. Very expensive. All right, there's Sugar Swizzle. All right, Sugar Swizzle. I really like this color too. But this one, oh, I was like in love when I opened it. Salted Caramel or Caramel, however you guys want to pronounce it. All right, so I'm going to be using my short swatches today. I'll leave a link in the description below for these if you guys are looking for some great swatches. Now those bottles were only labeled 2 through 5 because the first step is a basic prep, and I did make a video for that. I'll put it up there in the upper right hand corner. You guys can check that out. All right, so the first color I'm going to show you guys is the Red Velvet. And this first step in this process is you will want to put on the base, which is essentially a liquidy glue. So that's basically what it is. And when you smell it, it smells like nail glue. So after we fully covered it with the base, we're going to go ahead and dip it in. All right, and I did this part in real time just so you guys can kind of see how long I keep it down in there before I pull it out. And then go ahead and tap it off and brush off any of that excess powder that's still on there before you head on to the next step. Next, we're going to put another coat of base on there. Now, however many coats you decide to do as far as the base and dipping it again, that will be totally up to you, depending on what is the pigmentation of the powder you're using or how opaque you want it to be or how thick you want them to be. And always remember to brush off that excess powder thoroughly. And a quick tip is to make sure you put that top back on that base because it is glue once again, and we don't want it to dry out. So step 3 is the activator. And what the activator does is it will start to harden that powder up for you. And I just wanted to say about the brush cleaner. The brush cleaner, as you can see, this brush has a little red on it, and that's what happens with these brushes. The powders will kind of interfere with each other, and the chemicals will interfere with each other, and they will start to harden up. So you always want to make sure you have that brush cleaner nearby. Next, you'll want to do a quick buffing or filing and just shape it down however you want it to be. And you will add the activator one more time before you put on the top coat. And the top coat is the final coat, which it usually is when doing nails. And here's that first color, you guys, Red Velvet. Isn't it just so lovely. I mean, it's like basically the color of red velvet cake. So I'm just going to show you all these other colors really fast. No need to go through all the steps. This is hot fudge. This is dark forest. Oh, I love this one. Again, I love blue, so. This one is expensive pink. This one was kind of all right for me. You can definitely add something to this to liven it up a little bit though. And then here's that salted caramel. This just screams fall to me. And this last color I'm going to show you guys here is called Sugar Swizzle, and I love this color as well. All right, that is my review, you guys. Please leave a comment below and let me know which one of these were your favorite or which ones you didn't really like that much as well. I want to say thank you to all of my current and new subscribers for helping my channel grow and being there and being supportive through my videos and every post that I do. Thank you guys so much. It's greatly appreciated. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to leave it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to Just Doing Nails yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your way out to my next video or wherever you're headed. I'll see you guys on my next review.